Hello, hello, and welcome to today's family program. It's another beautiful day, and we are coming to you as usual with essentials and things that matter for our life and as we relate with other people on this planet. I always say that no man is an island, and therefore we will share our lives with others. We talked last week about essentials of a winning team, and I would like to really track back a little bit to discuss what really makes that team, to be a winning team. Because we got some questions from people and some want to know. And I think it is very important, though we have dealt with these in some previous programs, but we would take the time to briefly give you what makes a team. It is very, very important. The question that I would ask you first is that, do you really want to be part of a team? Do you really want to be a team? A group of people come together to form a team. And when you are putting a team together, it is based on the aim, the vision, the purpose for which that team is needed. Then you will know who to select and who to bring on board. Sometimes you will find yourself surrounded by people giving to you as a team to work with. So you have to really be very clear from the beginning, because once you know what to expect and what the goal is, everybody coming on board will know what to sacrifice and what to also maybe equip themselves with, so that the team will be that winning team. One thing that you have to get off your mind on a team is that you cannot be a star. There are no stars in a team. In a team, everyone wins. It is very, very, very important. And it takes time to develop a team. Everybody comes with strength, with potentials. But when you fuse them together, there will be the need to maybe restrict certain things for a while, or, eradicate some things totally. But it is very important that you understand that it takes time. Time is needed in order to form and build a very good team. So don't be in a rush. Take it step by step, and you will definitely get to that place where you would build a strong, strong team. Also, authority in a team is seen differently. It is not like maybe when you are leading and others are just following. Team is, everybody coming on board, chipping in what they can. So in a group, you have to really understand that this group that is becoming a team, the authority must, be seen or connected with in certain ways. Now, this is why you have to put some of the ground rules together. And also in a team, if there is a weak link or weak member, that weak member will be the one through that the team can be negatively affected. So teams are more affected by weak members. Therefore, on any team, you have to be building on the weaknesses so that you become stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. There are things you have to sacrifice in order to, belong to a team. Probably you are coming on a team, for instance, and the team's color is blue. Your favorite color is white. You cannot come wearing white and say, well, because I love white and that's my favorite, then, I can be on the team though I white. No, a team should be seen as united. So therefore, there are certain things that we would have to sacrifice our personal stuff to go through. Talking about the weak members, if you are weak, it's not a minus to the team, except your weakness is expressed. So we need to work on the weaknesses, and then those weaknesses will eventually become a strength. It is very, very important. So we need to also find out that in building a team, we have to know what it takes. So what makes a team? For a group to become a team, they must have shared values. Shared values. We must have common values. We all share it together, we uphold it, and we go for it. There should be also interdependence, depending on one another for the results of the required goal, aim, plan, whatever we've set for ourselves to do. We also have to be able to express our feelings. When you are able to express your feelings, you are on a platform to build a better team. It is very, very important that in a team or a group that is growing into a team, feelings are expressed. And when feelings are expressed, it is not for you to maybe judge, but to consider and ask questions. Where there is the need to change, you change. Where there is the need to sacrifice, you sacrifice. And I think that is the beauty of a group becoming a team. Also, commitment. This is a very high premium one. Commitment must be expressed from all members of a team if we really want to build a group into a team. Also, interpersonal skills. Everybody has something that is stronger in, and that is why maybe on a team they say we need 7 people, because you need 7 different things to be done. I mean, primarily. And with those 7 people in place, you are sure. But then how will the components come together? The first component, the second, the third, and fourth, and so on and so forth. There are some which are primary, some will be, in intermediate, some will be, towards the end and all that. So when you are in a team, though we are all coming up together, sometimes it is very important that we also understand that our interpersonal skills are very, very much needed. And for a team to be going on, there shouldn't be slackness. We have to be consistent in the things that we do. We have to continuously work. And therefore, we have to know, at least, I'll have an idea of the amount of work to be done and what strength we have. So we can surely say, well, when we start right now, we can go till the next day, and then we would have to maybe give a little pause. Many people get worn out and burned out and dried up in teams because they do not calculate how much they have to do and how much strength they have to fulfill that. So it is very important that we understand what it takes to build a team. Trust is another thing that really comes together to make a group of people into a team. And we must learn how to resolve, conflicts and deal with problems when they come. Listening is very, very important if you want to be a good team member. Listening means I am giving full attention to what you are saying without you interrupting, and I will consider it. And then when I have questions or I do not understand anything, I will bring it to you and also wait and listen to your responses. It is very, very important. We need cooperation. We have to work together. Working together makes the group to become a team. And when they become a team, then they can win championships. It is very, very important. We have to also know what it is that we have to do and stay focused. Stay focused on that. I love what someone said, that a team makes the dream work. So in brief, you have heard what it takes to turn a group into a team. I hope this helps you. And next time, when you get a group, you will look for these components in order for you to, migrate the group into a team. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this is today's family program. Usually we are here to encourage you. So I would like you to invite friends to also join and also watch this together with you. Share this link with everybody that is your friend and you think, they need to get this. I will encourage you to also send any questions that you may have, and we will gladly answer them to you. Usually in the beginning, I say that those who are here first, I encourage you to watch previous programs because we may have touched on some other things. So I want to remind especially the first timers here that you can watch previous programs and it will help you follow through what we are talking and be abreast with where we are. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Have a beautiful, beautiful week ahead. And remember, a group can transform into a team, and then they begin to achieve goals. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.